Hey guys, it's Miss Klein here. I just kind of want to explain to you guys APA format and what it looks like. So first thing, you're just going to want to open up Google because I want to show you that when, sorry, that when, that when I tell you to go to OWL Purdue, that is Purdue University's online writing lab, and it has so much information. So Purdue, OWL, I'm going to even say APA format. So that's all I'm Googling is Purdue OWL APA format. And you can see I've already clicked this a lot. So APA style at Purdue University. Sorry, ignore my dog barking. And it's just going to show you general format. So it tells you what it should kind of look like, blah, blah, blah. You're welcome to read this. However, if you scroll down to the bottom, you are going to see, please see our sample APA paper resource. This is an amazing tool for you guys to look at. So hopefully you already have your template in either Microsoft Word or Google Docs, but looking at this sample paper, and you're going to want to look at student because you are a student, I think it's really going to help you. You're going to see lots of notes, and it's going to kind of explain everything. So it's going to tell you that even though you might have a running head in your template that you opened up, you don't need one because you're a student. So it's going to walk you through and tell you like when to bold your title and all of that stuff. I do want to remind you guys that we're not actually writing a paper, so you don't really have to worry about a lot of this stuff, but you do want to scroll towards the end, and I know it's a very long paper. So if you go down to the end, we want to go to references to see how they do it. So when you're in MLA format, which is what you guys have used in your English classes, we call it works cited. This is pretty much all the sources you used. But in APA, we call it references. And again, this is so helpful just because it's going to show you what it looks like. Not only this is what the format should look like, but it literally shows you, oh, look, if you don't have a specific person who wrote it, but there's an organization, this is what it looks like. You have two authors, this is what it looks like. So again, this is just fantastic, in my opinion, for something to kind of cite because it's going to have more than what you probably need to know. But what I want you guys to do is once you have that template for APA, I want you to open that up and I want you to compare it to this. It's going to show you what things you need or don't need. And there will be another video where I kind of point out sources and citations.